Introducing the new 2023 Kia Telluride, the most refined expression yet of our flagship SUV. The SUV that swept the triple crown of automotive accolades and earned a best resale value from J.D. Power gets even better for 2023. Capable, rugged, and powerful, the Telluride is ready for adventures of all kinds, from family road trips across the country to challenging off-road excursions. With significant design enhancements, new design-oriented X-Line and robust X Pro models, and an expanded list of ADAS technology, Telluride is rising to a new elevation. Retaining its commanding presence and sophisticated appearance, the 2023 Telluride builds on a successful design with rugged yet sophisticated touches. In the front, the Telluride grille now features an eye-catching three-dimensional texture. LED headlights are standard on all trims, and the updated lower fascia and side cladding more aggressively express Telluride's off-road credentials. Moving around back, the rear design now features a beam insert on the bumper, along with a clear outer lens on the iconic angled taillights. For those moments when life makes your hands full, the available Smart Power liftgate has you covered with auto close functionality. 18-inch alloy wheels complete the package for the Telluride X Pro, and a selection of 18 or 20-inch wheels are available on other Telluride trims. The Telluride's interior captures a feeling of upscale exploration in a spacious three-row environment with seating for up to 8 people. You'll immediately notice the crispness and clarity of the available dual panoramic display with navigation. It offers more than 24 inches of digital instrument cluster and touchscreen for entertainment, convenience, and more. The available surround view monitor with 3D view helps you take the guesswork out of parking and low-speed maneuvering by providing an aerial view of your surroundings. And the available full display mirror is a first for Kia. You can switch between the view from a traditional rear view mirror and an unobstructed digital camera view. With an available premium cloth headline, exposed stitching, and Napa leather seating materials in 5 color options, the Telluride's interior is both captivating and comfortable. Available heated and ventilated first-row seats and second-row captain's chairs with class-leading second-row legroom offer a comfortable ride for drivers and passengers alike. Telluride buyers are among the youngest in the segment, and they expect their vehicle to be a part of their connected lives. The 2023 Telluride includes additional in-car technology features that make their ownership experience even easier and more convenient, such as Kia Connect, which provides remote start, remote climate control, over-the-air map and infotainment updates, smartwatch compatibility, Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant integration, stolen vehicle tracking and immobilization capability, remote door lock-unlock, and a standard Wi-Fi hotspot. The Telluride can stay connected even while you're away. Available digital key technology that allows you to share vehicle access with family and friends through the phone wallet app. Digital key is compatible with select iPhone, Apple Watch, and Samsung Galaxy smartphones. An available wireless phone charging tray and standard USB-C ports in all 3 rows help ensure that everyone's devices are powered up. As ever, the new Telluride continues to provide a capable and confidence-inspiring experience for driver and passengers alike. With its potent 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, available active on-demand all-wheel drive, and self-leveling rear suspension. Downhill brake control provides further peace of mind by helping to maintain a controlled descent on steep roads. As Kia's flagship SUV, the new Telluride is brimming with advanced technology to help drivers stay alert and even avoid collisions in certain situations. The long list of standard ADAS features grows for 2023 with 2 new systems. intelligent speed limit assist, including maximum speed sign recognition, which helps maintain the posted speed limit on certain roads, either by alerting the driver to speed limit changes that the system detects, or automatically limiting the speed of the vehicle in certain circumstances. And forward collision avoidance with junction turning, which can help the driver avoid potential collisions that the system detects when turning left through an intersection. A highlight of Telluride's new available ADAS features is the Highway Driving Assist 2 system, which not only allows the driver to set a distance and speed from the vehicle detected ahead, but helps the vehicle stay centered in the lane, manage speed through curves, and make lane changes on certain federal highways. Of course, one of the most exciting updates for the Telluride is the introduction of 2 new trim levels. The Telluride X-Line and X-Pro offer a roster of model-exclusive upgrades, help expand the Telluride's rugged attitude and capability. Both models stand out with a unique grille, unique raised bridge-type roof rails, body-colored door handles, and headlamps and fog lamps with black bezels. Inside, Telluride X-Line and X-Pro models feature model-exclusive seat patterns with embossed logos. The upgrades are more than skin deep, including all-wheel drive with enhanced traction control for added confidence on the road ahead. And both models offer 8.4 inches of ground clearance and improved approach and departure angles to let you take on more challenging terrain. The Telluride X-Line makes a statement with 20-inch wheels and tires, while the Telluride X-Pro's 18-inch wheels and Continental Terrain Contact all-terrain tires give you the confidence to go off the beaten path. The Telluride X-Pro is also able to tow up to an impressive 5,500 pounds. With the refinements in design, technology, performance, and its new X-Line and X-Pro models, the Telluride gives drivers the inspiration and capability to seek out new adventures on road or off.